Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a wave animation using the wave warp effect. First, I draw a rectangle. I align the movement using the Align panel. From the Effect panel, I drag the wave warp effect onto the shape layer. I make adjustments to wave height and wave width. This is the result I got. I want to duplicate the image, so I press Command+C and Command+V. I choose the colors to make it look more realistic. I align it again using Align. Using this method will make your C animations easier. In our next lesson, I will show you how to apply the wave animation to text. Good work! Take care!